Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable screen lock protection on this watch, basically a pin protection. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the pin option and tap on it. And right here, if you want to enable the pin lock or the screen lock protection, tap on set pin and then enter the pin you want to use to unlock your watch. I'm gonna use the simple one. It's gonna even warn me about it, but I recommend to use something else than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, of course. And once you set the pin, it will tell you pin set, and then when you take off your watch, the watch should lock itself. So let's wait until the screen turns off. Like this. Okay, and once the screen turns off, it should lock itself. As you can see, there is a lock icon, and we can't use our watch until we enter the pin. So enter the pin to unlock the watch, like this. And to disable the screen lock protection, open the settings, find the pin option, tap on it, and select disable pin, and then enter the current pin to confirm. And the pin will be disabled. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable screen lock protection on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.